I want to ask one last question because you touched upon this word leverage, which I like a lot, and I use it a lot in my vocabulary as well. Where do you think the highest leverage today is? Because I personally believe that we're in a hyper leverage economy. You can leverage code, capital, media, anything, and an individual can leverage, has infinite amount of leverage at their disposal because of internet, and everyone is connected and on a network. And where do you see personally where the biggest leverage lies?
It's 100% content, because it's the only thing you don't need any specialized training to create beyond a certain point. I mean, anyone can sit down and write into a Substack or things like that, or tweet. And I think fundamentally people just don't create enough content. I think the future of even being a founder and a venture-backed founder is to be an educator / entertainer first. So, for example, if you're wanting to build a hard tech company, like I would like to think of, like, something like Elon Musk was starting today. The way I would like started would be, start recording, start teaching people what this is, like start teaching people what rocket science is on YouTube videos and things like that. And you essentially then establish yourself as an expert. You build this huge audience. Then you start introducing community aspects to it. And then as you have this audience, this community, this content machine, and you're just chasing like what you find interesting and where you think the problems are, and you're interviewing people in the space, then you see where the problems are. And then that's where you can either be an investor of sorts, like a capital allocator to people solving those problems, or be the person solving those problems yourself.